They're ready.
Okay. Hi, everybody. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Hi. We are about to have dinner. Daddy's out barbecuing, but we are going to make something super quick, so we thought we have plenty of time, don't we? With our oils. Yeah. So today we're actually going to make some foaming hand soap, and we are using very little supplies, and so we just wanted to show you. I got these today. These are just screw-on caps with a pump, and these are actually made to fit right onto your normal mason jar, your regular top mason jars. So this was the best, excuse me,
What?
Come back here please. So this is the best cost-efficient way for us to do this, because these were two for like $7 and they came. So now we get one in the kitchen and one in your bathroom. Yeah, so what we're going to start with is the water, okay? So we're just going to put like 2/3 full of water. So can you pour water to like right here, okay? Pour the water. Water, 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 water. All right. Now, no, let's just do this one for now. Okay, so then the next thing we have is just pure castile soap. And this brand is the Dr. Bronner, and Dr. Bronner, and it's been recommended several times by different people who like to do DIY soaps and things, and so we got this kind. And so then you're just going to fill up the rest of the way with this soap. The cool thing about Young Living is that there's a lot of DIY projects you can do, but there's also a lot of products they've already made for you. So if DIY isn't your thing, they actually have foaming hand soap already in the bottle, and I'm supposed to get that this week so we can kind of decide what we like the most. But we like to do things ourselves, don't we? So for the boys' bathroom, we kind of have a lot of Legos in the boys' bathroom. We have Legos everywhere. So we're going to actually put some Lego blocks and stuff in their soap because we thought that would be fun. But before we do that, you get to pick what scent you want. We're going to definitely put Thieves in yours because we like what Thieves is like. But do you want it to be Thieves and Lemon or Thieves and Lavender? Or what do you think it should be? William? What do you think it should be? Thieves and what?
Thieves and Lemon.
And Lemon. That's a good idea. So we're going to do about 5 to 10 drops of each one. So just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's enough. There we go. So, can you smell that lemon? You need it for, well, up to 10. So we've got 5 and 5 makes 10, right? So drop your Legos in there. Do you want to put some Legos in there? Ah, it's floating.
No, those ones are for the.
Okay. All right. You got a swimmer. He's swimming.
Wait, what?
What's up?
Wait, all of them?
Well, which ones do you want in there? All right, so then that's all. That's how easy it is to make soap. Was that easy? Just water and some castile soap and adding our awesome Young Living essential oils in there. And then we just screw this on and it's ready to go. Look at that guy swimming in there. He's not going to swim down very well. But these ones fell down to the bottom, so that's kind of fun. And let's see, does it foam up? And look at that. It's foamy soap. What do you know? That's how easy it is to make. Pretty cool. All right, so that's all we have for today. I'm going to go rinse my hand off because I have soap now. Good job. Can you push stop and say goodbye? Bye.
Bye. Wait, penguin.
Penguin says goodbye.
Bye.
All right. Bye. Put it off, please.